In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install plugins in Figma and start using them in your design projects. Start by opening Figma and opening any design file. Next, click on the Actions button and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin you want to install. You can search for specific plugins like Iconify, Unsplash, or Content Reel, or browse by category. When you find a plugin you want to use, click on it to open its details. Then click Run or Install. Figma will automatically add the plugin to your account. Once installed, you can access the plugin anytime through the Actions menu or by opening Plugins and Widgets again. You can repeat the same process to install additional plugins that help with icons, images, mockups, charts, content generation, and more. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Figma plugin and can start using it in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.